Hi everyone, Sarah here. Hope you're all doing well today. I am back to share with you another finished project. This one is a little 30 by 30 that was sent to me from Outdoor Tide, or Tidy Outdoor, however you'd like to say it. This one I whipped up really fast. It was super fun. Love the colors. I would have to say there is sparkle, but you have to tilt it in the right direction. So sitting flat here, it looks like it's a matte finish, but you have to kind of tilt it to the left. I don't know. So, but it is really, really pretty. The colors are great. The image is great. Quality of the drills was good. I had no issues and lots of extras left in every single color. So I didn't run out of any color. And I can read summertime. I'm sure you guys can read summertime on there. It's got the two super cute drinks and all the fruits and leaves, and the bendy straw is my favorite. Yeah, turned out super cute. Apologize that I'm just posting single finishes so far, but I'm trying to finish one from each company that was sent to me so that you guys can see how it's going instead of finishing them all and posting it all at the end, which would be months and months later. All right, so that's it for that one. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks. Bye.